The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Colorado County in southeastern Texas, North Central Wharton County in southeastern Texas, Southeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, West Central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wallis, Oregon, 7 miles south of Sealy, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sealy, Eagle Lake, Wallis, and Simonton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.